Imagine your shop is only visible to selected customers. With Private Shopping Professional, this becomes a reality. Learn how to make your shop accessible to specific customers and create exclusive experiences. An exclusive login pre-page protects the shop and makes it accessible only after login. Flexible login options with a Shopware account or global access are available. After logging in or registering, customers can be redirected individually, while the pre-page can be freely designed through shopping experiences. We are now on the home page of the Shopware administration. From here, we navigate to Extensions and then to My Extensions. Then we click on Configure to open the plugin configuration. In the basic settings, the preview can be activated or deactivated. Additionally, a period can be defined during which the preview should be active. Next, we choose which option to use for login, either the global login with shared credentials or through the Shopware user. We choose the Shopware user here. Next, we can set up a shopping experience for the preview page. Therefore, a default layout is provided, which can be duplicated and customized. In this example, we are already loading a pre-designed shopping experience. Next, we determine whether the landing page is displayed directly or appears as a modal window. In this example, we choose the direct display. If display in a modal is selected, a shopping experience can be configured here to appear in the background. Additionally, we can determine whether the registration page should be accessible when the Shopware user login is selected or not. In the area of global login credentials, you could set a global username, a global password, and the storage duration of authentication in the cookie. In the next section, header and footer for the preview page can be selected. There you can choose between the default plugin header, the standard header, or hiding the header. Now we come to the redirect configuration. Here you have the option to set an HTTP status code for the redirect if a user is not logged in. We choose 302 found. Then we determine which page should be displayed after successful registration and login. The options are the account overview, homepage, or a category. For the redirection after successful registration, we use the account overview page. And after a successful login, we redirect users to the homepage. Additionally, in the SEO area, it can be determined whether search engines are allowed to find and index the preview page or not. In the last step, you can define which categories or URLs should remain visible even when a user is not logged in. Then we click on Save and we have configured a general redirection. To now specifically redirect certain user groups to appropriate areas in the shop, we will create an individual redirection rule. For this, we navigate under Settings to Extensions and open the Private Shopping section. Then we switch to the Redirect Rules and click on Add Redirect Rule to create a new rule. We will now create a rule that redirects customers who have requested access to the B2B customer group but have not yet been approved to an information page. First, we assign an internal name, in our case, B2B Request Redirect. Then we activate the rule, define a priority, and then assign the corresponding rule. In our example, this is the rule B2B Customer Group Requested. In the next step, we define the redirect target. To do this, we first select a link type. In our case, we choose an entity, specifically a landing page. Next, we assign the corresponding landing page here. Finally, we define the HTTP status code for the redirect and save the rule. We have now created a rule that redirects customers who have requested access to the B2B customer group to an information page. When we now open our shop, we can see that we are directly redirected to the preview page with our customized shopping experience. If we now log in with a user who has not requested access to the B2B customer group, the general redirection configuration applies, and we are redirected to the home page. If we now log in with a user who has requested access to the B2B customer group but has not yet been approved, we can see that after logging in, the user is automatically redirected to the previously configured information page. Control access to your shop and create experiences that perfectly suit your business model. Start now and turn your shop into an exclusive shopping experience.